विसवा उपरांत परतून तुमकां येवकार. आतां पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो. मायनिंग प्रश्नाक लागून सद्याक लोकांचेर परिणाम जातलो. डायरेक्ट 60,000 जाल्यार इनडायरेक्ट सुमार 2 लाख लोकांचेर मायनिंग बंदीचो परिणाम जातलो. सद्याच्या सरकारान योग्य तो तोडगो बेगिनात बेगीन काडचो म्हण आदले विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी प्रताप सिंग राणे उलयला. RTX गोवा खातीर परवरेच्यान कॅन्जिल रॉड्रिगीस आणि गौतम शिरोडकार.
60,000 people who are directly employed will be out.
Okay.
And so approximately indirectly 1 lakh to 1,50,000, 1,50,000 to 2 lakhs of people will be affected.
Government is talking of filing a review petition. Is it the solution at the moment, or what is the solution?
Whatever they are doing now, they are the government.
Yeah, but you have been a chief minister for so many years. You know, you are. What could be the immediate area?
They have the government at the center.
Okay.
They have the government. Now they should. I think some minister is supposed to be coming
20th.
from the center.
Yeah.
They will talk to them.
No, but
We should see the ground level situation as far as Goa is concerned.
how sooner it should, whatever action has to be, how
Should be
soon?
done immediately.